Coming to a new country and starting a new life is a major challenge for everyone. Adapting to a new language, culture and education system is not easy. However, for some young people, such challenges become the gateway to new opportunities. Today we introduce a student from Pakistan whose educational journey brought him to Kyrgyzstan.
3 years ago, I came to Osh from Pakistan. When I came here, I was completely worried what will happen to me, life will go, how the life will go, because it was a new place. The people here was from different ethnicity. I don't know the language, but incidentally I came across with a Kyrgyz boy. He told me to go Kyrgyz-Uzbek University. So I came here and started learning Kyrgyz language. Now I am in the 3rd year of Kyrgyz philology faculty.
Unlike many other international students who choose medicine or English-related fields, he decided to study Kyrgyz language and philology. For him, the Kyrgyz language is not just an academic subject, but a valuable heritage that opens the door to the history, culture, and identity of the Kyrgyz people.
Julu kiyin, jolun kiyin nuşursun, keş tağıttu, buron olup, kar urup, soğundu, uz moynuma alayn, jol qarayn, toktoy turchu ata jurt.
His interest in Kyrgyz literature has brought him closer to the nation's spiritual heritage. In particular, he has developed a strong appreciation for the works of the world-famous writer Chingiz Aytmatov.
I love Kyrgyz people, I love Kyrgyz culture, and especially the work of Chingiz Aytmatov. Chingiz Aytmatov's literal work inspired me to learn this language and to spread this language, and in future I am planning to learn and teach this language to other students and people who came from foreign countries.
The university provides modern facilities and supportive learning environment. A well-equipped library, computer classrooms, and experienced lecturers are all contribute to improving the quality of education. Today, the Kyrgyz-Uzbek International University offers wide opportunities for students seeking knowledge and personal growth. For him, the university is more than just a place of study. It is a life school where dreams begin to take shape.
This university provides excellent sport and sportive opportunity to international students. There is no such difficulty to the students who come from abroad. The teachers are very supportive and they try to teach at their utmost. I love this university because this university is equipped with modern technology, libraries and all the conditions necessary for learning. I sincerely recommend you to choose this university if you are planning to learn here in Kyrgyzstan. Come here, learn and serve the nations.
The story of a student who came from a foreign country and embraced the Kyrgyz language is a vivid example of friendship, education and cultural exchange. His ambitions for the future are great, and every step he takes today brings him closer to his goals. The Kyrgyz-Uzbek International University remains a place where young people turn their dreams into reality, a hub of knowledge, friendship, and opportunity.